Let's take a quick look at a late 70s icon, the 1979 Camaro Z28, a classic that proves muscle attitude never went away. Next up is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28, priced at $10,000 in Coldwater, Mississippi. With 70,370 miles, this Z28 represents the later years of the second-generation Camaro, an era known more for bold styling and road presence than outright horsepower. This car comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and under the hood, it carries a 350 small block V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a classic and reliable combo. The owner has already handled several important maintenance updates: a new starter, thermostat, radiator hose, 3-core aluminum radiator, reservoir cap, battery, and updated cluster lights. These upgrades show the car's been kept running rather than left sitting. It doesn't have AC or heat, which isn't unusual for older Camaros that have been simplified over the years. But even without those features, the Z28 offers that unmistakable long hood, low stance classic muscle feel. With a clean title and a firm price, this Camaro stands out as a drivable, well-maintained classic that still carries the raw personality enthusiasts love. It's not a show car, it's a fun, authentic piece of late 70s American muscle culture, and that's exactly why it earns a spot on this list. So what do you think? Does this Z28 still capture the spirit of old-school muscle? Tell me your pick, and I'll see you in the next classic.